beauties! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Riri, and I love ham. My favorite kind of ham, and I mean like a ham, you know what I mean, a big ham, is a smoked picnic, and I do it overnight with brown sugar and cheer wine, and it is absolutely delicious. Get up the next morning and it just pulls right off the bone. It's amazing. Yeah, anyway, today is going to be a twofer. I'm going to be unboxing my IPSY for the month of October and the BOXYCHARM. If you're unfamiliar with IPSY, it is a $12 a month now subscription where you'll receive a small makeup bag and then 5 items that are typically like travel size items, try me items. You occasionally get full size items. It is my OG bag, and I've gotten IPSY for probably close to 4 years now, I think. I have seen the bag because I'm assuming it's the same bag that's in the IPSY new Ultimate box. Oh no, it's different. Let me make sure I'm in front of y'all, remember? It's adorable. I love Betty Boop, and it even has like the little bee. Oh, boop, boop, bee, doop, boop. Anyways, let's hop on in here, honeys. Cute. First and foremost, I see a Betty Boop eyeshadow brush. That is adorable. It is nice and soft and fluffy. I'm assuming it's its own brand. I'm not quite sure, but y'all know Mama likes brushes. I'm excited about that. Next up is a Space Case Cosmetics Seen from Space highlighter in the shade Seen from Space. This is weird, guys. I'm so sorry. I have like a new camera set up. Ooh, beach. That's very nice. Very nice. Let's swatch her, honeys. Ooh. It's a really pretty light champagne. Ooh, that feels really soft. All right. All right. Probably not really gonna. Oh, you do see it on my skin. That's very pretty. Very pretty. Excited so far. Excited so far. I was literally just talking about this with Candace from Shining Star Soup. This is my 5th Belief Aqua Bomb that I've gotten in a sub-bot subscription, so I'll be passing that along. I know a lot of people swear by it, and it does work well. I will say that, but I don't need them every single month, guys. Next is a Private Doctor by ID Hospital Define Minus Serum, formulated to minimize lines and create definition. Okay, with micro tingling spicules. Apply to cleansed and toned skin. Tingling may occur and as it absorbs. Okay, and that's all it says. Okay, I might try it out. I do like anti-aging type stuff as long as it's not something that is too strong on the skin, because I don't want broken out skin. And then last is I've never heard of any of these brands. N.O. Lenny, I guess. Byron Bay, and I'm assuming it is just a loose shadow. That is what it looks like. It's actually really pretty too. I'm not going to open it, but it's just a really pretty loose pigment. I'm assuming you could also use this as a like blush topper or a highlighter as well. So I really like this bag a whole lot, other than the freaking Belief. And then now they're showing you here what your items and stuff are. And then now every month you get to choose one of your glam bag items. So I think that is super, super fun. That bag is so cute. I love kind of like vintagey shows, like old Shirley Temple shows and things like that. Like the old Popeye, etc. Yeah, y'all know I'm old. Next, we're going to hop into BOXYCHARM. BOXYCHARM is $21.99 a month. I need my scissors. And you typically get 5 full-size items. So I'm going to hop on in. And I've had some people ask, and I never, ever say it, but I got version 6. I don't know where you look for the weight, but I don't want to see what I have in here. So y'all let me know next time. But I got version 6. First, I see a Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter in Prosecco, please. It is a beautiful champagne gold shade. I love gold highlighters so much. I've never used any jelly products that I can remember or think of. Pretty cool. So I like that a lot. Next up is I love Touch and Soul. Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. And I'm going to assume it's like a primer. How to use. Ultra Hydrating Priming Skin Balm. Oh, that's awesome. with a smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. Your last step of your skincare routine, apply evenly to the face as needed to achieve dewy, glowing skin. Apply 2 to 3 times, allows for even longer wear. Oh, that is pretty cool. I'm really excited to try that. I wish I wouldn't have already done makeup. Oh, I love that. I love their packaging and stuff too. I want to just smell it. Y'all know I smell everything. And if it stinks, it ain't going on my face. Ooh. It also doesn't really have a smell. Just like a very, very, very light texture. I mean, a light scent to it. That is really cute. I like that packaging a lot too. Yay! I'm excited about that. All right. 2 for 2. Next up is a Jonte Blue. We've gotten a lot of products from them. A lip liner pencil in dark natural. This I will actually keep because I'm all about a nude unless it's super hard. It's actually going on pretty evenly and pretty smoothly. Okay. It might not be a dud like that last one, y'all. That one was bad. All right. I love everything so far. Next is an Iconic London. I don't know if this is a gloss. Yes, a lip plumping gloss. I'm not a gloss fan. I may swatch it on my hand, and if it doesn't pop and go boop when it comes out, then I know it's probably not going to be sticky. And then I will put it onto a disposable applicator and try it. If it's sticky, I'm not using it. We all know this. I'm not a lip gloss fan. And then last but not least is a, who's this by? It says Marvelous Mauves. Oh, Dose of Colors. Ooh, I love their lip colors. I have honestly never tried any of their eyeshadows, so this is exciting. That is what she looks like. And it has Wine Stain, Spaced Out, Wishy-Washy, Rosy, and Fluffy. They named something after me. So let's open this up. I'm really excited. Oh, that feels really nice and pretty substantial. It is plastic. They are a cruelty-free brand, if anyone is curious about that. And it's a little underwhelming. Am I in frame? I honestly am going to keep this, and I know I wouldn't normally keep a palette like this, but I really want to try the formula because I've heard amazing things. So I'm actually going to... That is insane. Y'all know I don't go by swatches, but holy poop. Anyway, like I was saying, I've heard insane things about this particular brand, and I am really excited to try this. I will 100% keep this and try this. That, just watching it, it definitely looks very pigmented and it feels very soft. Okay, I am very pleasantly surprised. Like, I love everything this time. Of course, the belief, it's an amazing product. I'm not clowning the product itself. It does work, but this is the 5th one that I've gotten. So when Candace sees this, she's probably gonna laugh. We literally just had this conversation. Okay, beauties, let me know what you think, and now that I've unboxed mine, I can go watch yours. But let me know what you think and what you got. What is your favorite product, and what was a dud for you? And that's it for today. If you like this video at all, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. If you tap the notification bell, I'd be even more grateful and thankful. And please always remember to be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauty.